welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 18th to the 22nd of April 2022 on Monday. What's eating in Ndiwabo? Nomasonto and Rosemary tremble at the thought of Mukondereli recovering from her coma. Susan breaks down at the sight of Wuchilo. Vomasindi thinks she has walked in on a big secret. Nomasonto and Rosemary throw Azwindini between a hard rock and a deep blue sea. Will the truth finally comes out about what happened to Mukondereli on Tuesday? The Mukwebos receives good news about Mukondereli, but there is an unexpected twist. Mpo gets an unpleasant surprise when Ndiwabo comes home from school. Rosemary and Nomasonto are forced into a corner. Susan confronts Azwindini about his failure as a father on Wednesday. Azwindini fails to convince the elders that Mukondereli is not coming back. Buchilo is hit by reality and he can't handle it. Mpo uncovers something shocking about Ndiwabo on Thursday. Mukondereli's family want to pull the plug. Susan persuades Azwindini to keep Buchilo out of jail. Ndiwabo is in the new cool kid in school. Ndiwabo is the new cool kid in school on Friday. Azwindini refuses to elope and snaps at Nomasonto for even suggesting it. Imani is ruled up when she learns that Susan was caught stealing Kuku's phone. Mpo finally has the talk with Ndiwabo. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.